AUDUSD is testing 2-month lows below 0.6450 despite strong Australian PMI data. Hello and welcome back. We have yet another interesting day of trading in the world of forex. As you can see from the screen, AUDUSD is currently trading at around 0.6440. The pair has been under quite a bit of pressure recently. However, today we got some key data releases out of Australia, specifically the manufacturing and services PMIs. These are very important indicators, and they actually came out better than expected. The manufacturing PMI came in at 55.2 versus a forecast of 54.8, and the services PMI came in at 56.7 versus a forecast of 55.5. Any number above 50 is considered expansionary, and these numbers clearly show that the Australian economy is still holding up pretty well. However, what we can see on the chart is that the market barely reacted to this positive news. AUDUSD only saw a very minor increase after the data release, and it quickly resumed its downward trend. This is because the market is currently focused on the RBA's monetary policy meeting minutes, which took place on Tuesday. The minutes will be released tomorrow, and the market is expecting some hawkish signals from the central bank. If the RBA minutes show that the central bank is more aggressive than expected in its rate hikes, then AUDUSD could continue to fall. On the other hand, if the minutes are more dovish than expected, then the pair could rise. In addition to the RBA monetary policy meeting minutes, traders are also looking ahead to Friday's US jobs report. If the jobs report is strong, then the Fed will be more likely to raise rates by 50 basis points in March. This would be negative for AUDUSD, as it would strengthen the US dollar. However, if the jobs report is weak, then the Fed may only raise rates by 25 basis points in March. This would be positive for AUDUSD, as it would weaken the US dollar. So in terms of the technical outlook, AUDUSD is currently testing 2-month lows below 0.6450. The next key support level to watch is 0.6400. On the upside, the key resistance level to watch is 0.6500. If AUDUSD breaks below 0.6400, then the pair could continue to fall towards 0.6350. If AUDUSD breaks above 0.6500, then the pair could rise towards 0.6550. In conclusion, AUDUSD is under pressure due to the upcoming RBA monetary policy meeting minutes and the US jobs report. If the RBA minutes are hawkish and the jobs report is strong, then AUDUSD could continue to fall. However, if the RBA minutes are dovish or the jobs report is weak, then AUDUSD could rise. Traders should also keep an eye on the Chinese yuan, as it is currently trading near a 6-week low. This could put downward pressure on AUDUSD, as China is Australia's largest trading partner. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.